So today we're going to talk safety stock. And no, it is not the stock that your Grams gave you advice on that she got in the back of the Reader's Digest. I don't even know if that's still a thing. It is that level of inventory that your business can operate within and still be in the, we'll call it the green zone. So you have a particular level that you cannot go below because then you're probably gonna have a stock out. And if you get too high, well, you've just spent a whole bunch of money up in here sitting on shelves. So you have that sweet spot, right? And it's right there. That is your safety stock in which you can operate in and you're not worried about if you have too much, too little. It's finding that just right balance.
This one's just right.
But the problem that we're all dealing with right now is things are a little unpredictable. The whole thing, the whole supply chain is kind of in a whack right now, and that's a technical term. But what can you do to figure out that appropriate level of safety stock for your company? Well, here's a formula right here. And I just looked that up on Google. I have no idea how to implement it, so good luck. But here's what regular people like myself and probably you can do. Although my ability to do math is pretty insufficient. I have a 7th grader and she has to go ask her mom for help with math because, well, I stopped being able to help her in the 3rd grade. So here's what you can do. First, you're gonna track your numbers. I know, no duh. But you're gonna do it daily. And you're gonna check your weekly and you're gonna check your monthly. This is the heartbeat of your business. What is coming in and what is going out. You're also going to stay update with your vendors. That means you might need to call and or email them a little bit more regular. And if you have the ability to kind of link into what is available through software, whether they have it on their own system or you have inventory software that you're able to see at a glance what they have on hand, you can kind of keep track of what the availability is. You can also make use of reorder points. So the reorder point is that minimum level that you have set for that particular item or good before you have a software that will reorder that good or item. We need to be vigilant. I mean, that's really what it comes down to, is being proactive, keeping an eye on what our levels are. Definitely, if you have a software solution like Fishbowl, keeping an eye on those reports. It can be a lot to keep track of, but it's a lot easier than using this. Bottom line, safety stock is there so that you have enough of what you need so that you can keep making more of it without having so much that all of your cash is tied up and put on the shelves instead of being put to work making you more money. So remember, safety stock is just to keep your business safe so it can keep doing what it should do. Also, don't take any investment advice from your Nana. Love you, Nana, or me. Don't take it from me. I don't know what I'm doing. I'm James. This is Whiteboard Wednesday, I think.